How to fix my speaker not working problem on Poco M8. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart your phone, click power button and volume up button at that time, and you will see restart phone from here. So after restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down to and click on developer option. Scroll down and search media setting from here. You will see, click on media DRM setting. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, again click on settings app and click on more connectivity options. Scroll down and click on reset settings enter your phone pin, click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix my speaker not working problem on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.